1,000 miles begins with a single step. Everyone is aware that we are amid of unforeseen circumstances that has emerged out of the global pandemic, and the consequent lockdown has brought everything to an abrupt halt. But as it is said, challenges are what make our life interesting. Overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Keeping this thought in mind and with a bright outlook, I am Jasmine Locher, Vice Head Girl on behalf of Vandana International School. I am profusely elated to take an opportunity to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. We are extremely fortunate to be a part of school system that supports art and extracurricular activities and also encourages the students to nurture in all aspects to face the real world. We consider it a great honor to express our gratitude to the members of the management, our chairman Mr. Ved Prakash Tandon sir, co-founder of VIS and member of CBSE governing body Vandana Tandon ma'am, vice chairman Harsh Tandon sir, our academic director Akansha Tandon ma'am. Thank you all for organizing the much awaited event Synergia 2020, a saga of inter-school competitions. Music is a wonderful gift of nature that we cherish by inculcating it in our life. So let's begin the event by soothing our ears with the melodious song. That indeed was an elegant performance. Thank you. A leader is one who lights the path to the impossible and takes those who follow. It will be injustice to proceed the event without calling upon our pillar of strength and our constant source of motivation. So I request Akansha ma'am to say a few words of motivation for all the participants.
I feel elated to welcome all the schools and participants to Synergia 2020. This is the 4th annual event of inter-school competitions hosted by Vandana International School, Dwarka, New Delhi. I feel indebted to all the prestigious schools who have participated in the competition. To you dear students, I want to say, don't worry about leaving with a trophy. Worry about leaving with no regrets. So leave all your fears behind and walk to the other side. triumphantly. Good luck to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words.
शिशु है अज्ञानी माता, तीन चरणों का प्यार दे। वीणा पाणी तार दे, तार दे, तार दे। माँ सरस्वती शारदे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे।
I, Jasmine Loja, will brief you about Synergia, a gala of inter-school competitions which are intended to be held from July 29, 2020 to August 1st, 2020. This is the fourth successful year we are conducting this annual festival. More than 50 schools in and around Dwarka have been participating in it every year. A number of events have been organized for the children of all age groups. For the primary students, we have an option of submitting the videos as per the given schedule. First of all, we have Abhyas Rhythmic Yoga for the tiny tots of kindergarten, where they will display the synchronization of body movements with music. Next, we have Ambassador of Hope Dress to Impress for the students of grade 1st and 2nd. The participants will get a chance to showcase their skills and nurture their interest in fashion by walking on the ramp. We have two events for the students of 3rd and 4th grades. Magic of Puppets, where the young narrators will try to revive the dying art form of puppetry by narrating a story using puppets, and the other one is Dancepiration, where they will show their dancing skills using props. Next we have Techphoria. The students of 4th and 5th are given an opportunity to demonstrate their technical skills by structuring a storyline through PowerPoint presentation. Next event is Artisans. Students of 5th and 6th grade will be able to display their hidden talent through doodle art. Digiphoria. In this event, students of 7th and 8th will make an e-poster on the theme provided to them and demonstrate how techno-friendly they are. Concours des Chants, a special event for the learners of French language. The young international singers will get their songs submitted. For our future musicians, we have organized an event where students of 8th and 9th grade will play the music instrument and will let the music speak for them. Then we also have cinematics, wherein the young directors of 10th and 11th grade will prepare a short and an original movie in English. and not forgetting our राष्ट्र भाषा, देश की शान मेरी हिंदी महान। यहाँ 11वीं और 12वीं के विद्यार्थियों को अपनी सोच प्रस्तुत करने का मौका मिलेगा। 3 of the events will be held virtually. First, we have Food Crafters on 29 July 2020 for the students of 6th to 8th grade. Here, the participants will present their recipes and speak few lines about it, covering its nutritional aspects. It will be a great pleasure to watch the nurturing chefs and dietitians taking their first step out in the world. Secondly, we have an event named Varivoid for the students of grade 11th and 12th on 31st of July, where our future ministers will be seen showcasing their wisdom by presenting a thought-provoking proposal working under central and state government. Thirdly, we have a Mind Scrabble, a science quiz for the students of 9th and 10th grade on 1st August. Here, the brilliant students from different schools will check their proficiency and will find out where they stand in this competitive world.